Sairam students, today we shall begin a new lesson, that is justice above self. Justice above self, written by Munshi Premchand. Correct? So what is justice? Justice means what? Just means what? Justice means nyaya. Justice above self. Self means what? Oneself, himself. Self means individual. Self means person. Self means soul. Correct? Justice above self, above a particular individual, above a particular person, above a particular soul. That is self. Correct? So justice above self. Who is important? Justice is important. Correct? We cannot give judgment. We cannot come to a conclusion by seeing the person. Person is not important. Giving judgment is important. Correct? Then come to the first paragraph. So justice above self. What is the opposite of justice? Justice, injustice. Justice, injustice. First paragraph. So it is an interesting story, very interesting story, very easy lesson. Now part 1. Juman. See the characters mentioned in the lesson. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. So they enjoyed great respect in the village. They were good friends. Who are they? Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury. Remember these characters? Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury were good friends. They were friends. What is the opposite of friend? Enemy. Opposite of friend? Foe. Enemy or foe. So strong was their bond of friendship. How much strong their friendship was? It was so strong. ಬಹಳ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಗಾಧವಾದಂಥ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೀಕ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವೀಕ್. WEEK ಅದು ವಾರ. WEAK ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಯಾಕೆ? ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಲಭ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ನೌನ್. Strongly adverb, strong adjective. So strong was their bond of friendship was how much? That when either of them went away from the village, either Juman Sheikh or Algu Chowdhury, ಇಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೋದರೆ, away from the village, the other. If Juman went away from the village, Algu Chowdhury would look after his family. If Algu Chowdhury went away from the village, Juman Sheikh would look after whose family? Algu Chowdhury's family. This was the bond of friendship. ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಗಾಧವಾದಂತಹ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ. Both were greatly respected. What is greatly? Greatly respected. How much respected? Very much. Or extremely. They were extremely respected in the village. They enjoyed high respect in the village. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. What is the opposite of respect? Respect, disrespect. Respect opposite disrespect. So they enjoyed high respect in the village. This is about Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury. Now come to the second paragraph. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years, but thereafter the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limit. Patience has its boundary. So don't test the patience of others. Don't consider a patient listener's weakness. Correct? Then, now, second para. Juman had an old aunt. Aunt means ಸೋದರತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಂಟ್, AUNT, ಆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ one's father or mother. ಒಂದು ಇದಾಯಿತು. ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಸೋದರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಾಯ್ತು. ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುವಾಗ ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಅಂತಾಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಆರ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಕಲ್, ಇದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಕಲ್. ಅಂಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಮಾವ, ಅಂಕಲ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಸೊ Juman had an old aunt. What's up? See the article an. Why do we use an there? Because O, old, AEIOU, these are the 5 vowel letters and we have more than 5 vowel sounds. So here O is the vowel letter and it sounds vowel sound, it has a vowel sound, so we use an. An old woman, an apple, an elephant. Correct? So had an old aunt. What is the parts of speech of the word had? Had is the verb. Main verb or helping verb? It is the main verb. I have a chalk piece. Simple present. I had a chalk piece. Past tense, simple past tense. So it is past tense, simple past tense. Had an old aunt who had some property. So she had some property. ಅವಳ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂಪತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. This she transferred to him. This property was transferred to Juman Sheikh. ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟು ಹಿಮ್, ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಆನ್ ದ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶಿ ವುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಏನು ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಶಿ ವುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಿವ್. ಸ್ಟೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಿವ್. ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್, ಆನ್ ದ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶಿ ವುಡ್ live with the Juman Sheikh and he would look after her. He would look after. So frame a sentence, you can do it. Look after. You frame a sentence. Okay? It is homework. So look after. So he would look after his aunt. Why? Because she transferred her property to Juman Sheikh. For that, in return for this one, she would stay with him and he would look after her. This is the understanding. This is the agreement between Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury. Now change into passive. He would look after her. He would look after her. Look after, phrasal verb. Her becomes she. He would look after whom? Her. So her becomes she. Would, she would. ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದು. She would. Next, all the models take the root form be. Be ಅದು root form ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. So she would be. Next, ಇದು past participle. Looked after. She would be looked after by. He becomes him. This is the answer. She would be looked after by him. Will idre he will look after her. She will be looked after by him. Correct? He may look after her. It becomes she may be looked after by him. He must look after him. Her. She must be looked after by him. This is the passive form. Correct? Passive voice. Okay? Then this is the condition. Now what happened? The arrangement worked well. The arrangement worked well. Another grammar item. See, frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. How to frame the question? This arrangement worked well. Work, do work. Works, does work. Worked, did work. Remember. Aita? Well, now find out the double H question for this one. Well, I am working well. I am well. ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಹೌ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಹೌ. ಹೌ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? ಡಿಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. Worked. So how did this arrangement work? This arrangement worked well. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ? For a couple of years. How long did this arrangement work well? For a couple of years. ಒಂದೆರಡು ವರ್ಷ ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ there is no problem. But thereafter, after a couple of years, what happened? The situation changed. There is a reverse. There is a change in this situation. Juman and his family, and is the conjunction joining word. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Who is the old relative? Juman's aunt was the old relative. So they were tired. Tired means what? Fed up of. They could not tolerate. They could not cope up. Correct? Tired of the old relative. Juman became. Juman ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಹೇಗೂ ಹಾಗೆ. Juman became as indifferent. What's indifferent? As indifferent. That means having no particular interest. Having no particular interest or sympathy Or another meaning, he was also unconcerned. He was as unconcerned as he didn't have sympathy for his old aunt. He had no kindness for his aunt. Illa. Yara hage. Became as indifferent to her aunt as his wife. His wife was indifferent to his aunt in the beginning. After some times, he also became as indifferent, as unconcerned as his wife. ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿ ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲೋ ಆಂಟನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅದೇ ಭಾವನೆ ಈಗ ಇವನಿಗೂ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. ಹೂ ಗ್ರಜ್ಜಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಗ್ರಜ್ಜಡ್. ಗ್ರಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಸೆಂಟೆಡ್, ಇಷ್ಟಪಡದೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಗ್ರಜ್ಜಡ್ ಈವನ್ ದ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥದ್ದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅವಳ ಉಳಿವಿಗೆ, ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿವು, ಉಳಿವಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಹಾರ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಗ್ರಜ್ಜಡ್ ಈವನ್ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಫುಡ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಕಾದ್ದು, ಪ್ರಾಯ ಆಯಿತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಕಾದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದಟ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್. ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ, ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕು, ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬದುಕುವುದಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬದುಕುವುದಲ್ಲ, ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಶಿ ಸ್ವಾಲೋಡ್. ಎಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ನೊಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಹರ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು? ಶಿ ಸ್ವಾಲೋಡ್. ಶಿ ಗೋಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್. ಶಿ ಟಾಲರೇಟೆಡ್. ಸ್ವಾಲೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನುಂಗು. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು? ಟಾರ್ಚರನ್ನು. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು? ಪೇಯ್ನನ್ನು, ನೋವನ್ನು. ಶಿ ಸ್ವಾಲೋಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಅನ್ನ ಸಹ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನುಂಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಳು. ಆ ನೋವನ್ನು, ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಅಪಮಾನ, ಯಾವುದರೊಂದಿಗೆ? ಎಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್, ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹರ್ ಫುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮಂತ್ಸ್, ಕೆಲವು ತಿಂಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತನ್ನ ಅನ್ನದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಅನ್ನದ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆ ನೋವನ್ನು ಸಹ ನುಂಗ್ತಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಶಿ ಟಾಲರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೇನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಜುಮಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವೈಫ್. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ನುಂಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಿತಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ತಾಳ್ಮೆಗೊಂದು ಮಿತಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಬಲೂನಿಗಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ 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 ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದು ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, ತಾಳ್ಮೆ. ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಇಂಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಪೇಷಂಟ್, impatient. Teacher listened the words of the student patiently. Adverb. Teacher lost his patience. Patience noun. Be a patient listener. Adjective. ಪೇಷಂಟ್, ರೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಉಳ್ಳಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರೋ ಅವನನ್ನು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳುವುದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಫಿನಿಶ್. Now come to the third paragraph. One day, she spoke to Juman. She had already lost patience. Now she decided to speak to him. She spoke to him. What did she say? My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. These are the words of Juman's aunt. She felt so sad, so bad. Correct? One day she has no other way. She could not find any other way. She was alone. One day she spoke to him. Spoke to Juman. Speak, spoke, spoken. My son. Who is the my? Juman's aunt. My son refers to Juman. Oh Juman, my son, Magane. It is now obvious that obvious, O-B-V-I-O-U-S. It is now obvious that, obvious means clear. It is clear. I came to a conclusion. It is clear that, it is now clear that I am not wanted in your house. I am not wanted in your house. You don't want my support. Though I am weak, though I am helpless, I am not wanted in your house. Who is the I? Juman's aunt. Extract is there. Your means Juman. Then what should you do? Kindly give me a monthly allowance. Allowance means bhatye. TA, traveling allowance. DA, daily allowance. Correct? You might have heard the word allowance. Kindly give me. Kind-hearted. You are a kind-hearted man. Please, kindly give me a monthly allowance, a sum of money. It's a sum of money paid regularly to meet the daily needs. Meet the daily needs or needs. ಭತ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ಮೀ ಎ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಅಲವೆನ್ಸ್, ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಎ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕಿಚನ್. ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. I can set up a separate kitchen. I want to set up a separate kitchen. Why? Because you are not ready to give me even a food. That is why I decided to set up, establish or start a separate kitchen. Please allow me. ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನಿನಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಿನಗೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಶಿ ನೀಡ್ ಎ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಅಲವೆನ್ಸ್? ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಶಿ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಅಲವೆನ್ಸ್? ಟು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್, ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಎ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕಿಚನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜುಮಾನ್? My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. So this angered the woman. What did she say? What did he say? My wife knows best. My wife knows how to run the family. How to run the house, how to administer the house. My wife is best in that. He says, my wife knows best how to run the house, how to administer the house. Don't teach her. Be patient. You be patient. Imperative sentence. You be patient. Be ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇರು. Be patient. Have patience. ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಇರು. Said Juman. How? Shamelessly. Juman said shamelessly. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಾಚಿಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಪಮಾನ, ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ. Shameful adjective. Shameless adjective. Shamelessly adverb. This answer of Juman made what? His aunt angry. So what angered Juman's aunt, the reply of Juman. What was the reply of Juman? His wife knew how to run the house. He asked her to be patient. This angered aunt, and what did she do? She took a decision. What? To take her case to the village panchayat. So, in expectation of a solution, she decided to meet the village panchayat, take the case to the village panchayat. So, village panchayat would give her what? Justice. This was her expectation. So, she moved to the village panchayat. Come to the fourth paragraph. The old lady, what did she do? The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. Nobody was in favor of her. Nobody supported her. Correct? So what did she do? Went about meeting people, explaining her case. She was in need of justice. She needed justice. So she explained this case to everyone. What was the response of others? Some sympathized with her. Sympathy, noun. ಕರುಣೆ ತೋರುವುದು, ದಯೆ ತೋರುವುದು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Sympathized with, sympathy, noun. Sympathize, verb. Sympathized, past tense. Sympathized, past participle. Sympathizing, present participle. To sympathize, that is the infinitive. 5 forms of verb. So some people sympathized with her, took pity on her. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. Others laughed at her. What is laugh at? Laugh at means mock at. ಹಿಯಾಳಿತು, ರಿಡಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್, ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡು. ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಾಫ್ ಎಟ್. ಒನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಸೈಡ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲಾಫ್ ಎಟ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಾಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಡಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೀಸ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಲಾಫ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಹರ್. ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಹೀಯಾಳಿಸಿದ್ರು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ. A few others, few opposite meaning. A few others, what did they do? Advised her. A-D-V-I-C-E, noun. A-D-V-I-S-I, verb. Advised her to make it up with her nephew. Make up means settle the dispute. Make up means settle the dispute. So others suggested to settle the dispute with whom? With her nephew. Nephew means son of brother or sister. Nephew means niece, the other gender. Nephew means son of brother or sister. Nephew and his wife. ಅವನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಳಿಯ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು, ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಅವರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ಜಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಶಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ. ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ? ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಜುಮಾನ್. ಹೂ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ? Juman's aunt, old lady, came to Alugu Chaudhary. Why? In expectation of justice. ನ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. She came to Alugu Chaudhary and spoke to him. ಅನ್ನೋಂತರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. You know, when she spoke to him about her case, what was the response of Alugu Chaudhary? You know, do you know? You know, Chachi. Who is the Chachi? The old woman. Juman's aunt is the Chachi. Juman is my best friend. He is my close friend. He is my friend. He is my favorite man. He is my best friend. Opposite of best is worst. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗೆಳೆಯ. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಎಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಮ್? ಗೋ ಎಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಎಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಎಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜುಮಾನ್ ಶೇಖ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಹೇಗೆ ತಾನೆ ಅವನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋಗಲಿ? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಅಲ್ಗು ಸೆಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅವಕಾಶ. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಏನು? ಮೈ ಸನ್, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಅಲ್ಗು ಚೌಧರಿ. ಮೈ ಸನ್, ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಮಮ್, ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್, ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಮಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದು ತಪ್ಪ, ಸರಿಯಾ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು, ಸರಿಯಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ impartial, no partiality, impartial or unbiased, prejudice illade iruvanthaddu. Fair means a proper balance of conflicting interests, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್, ನ್ಯಾಯ ಒದಗಿಸಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಮಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್? ಯಾವುದು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದು ತಪ್ಪ. ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಎನಿಮಿ ಆಗಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲೀಡೆಡ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ, ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಗು ಚೌಧರಿ ಸೇ? ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್. ಅಲ್ಗು ಚೌಧರಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ದ ಟ್ರುತ್. he asked her to come to the panchayat and speak the truth. ಸತ್ಯ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಗು ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಅಲ್ಗು ಚೌಧರಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ದ ಟ್ರುತ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್. ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಬಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಗು ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. he could not reply. Why? Because Juman was a friend. He should go against him. How could he go against him as a friend? It is impossible. Am I right? He could not, he did not reply. He did not give any reply. But her words, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Her words kept ringing in his ears. ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಾಗ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನ್ಯಾಯ, ಆ ಶಬ್ದ ಅದು ರಿಂಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಗು ಚೌಧರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? he is the head of the punch. He has to solve the problem. He has to give the judgment. He has to give the justice. He should not look at Algu Chaudhary as his friend. Correct? Then I think you understood the lesson. Now I will give you some questions to change into passive voice. 2 for passive voice, 2 for framing questions. 1, aunt requested Algu Chaudhary. 1, active voice, change into passive voice. 1 more, Algu gives judgment. This is also in active voice. change into passive. Now one more, that is question number 3. Alugu listened how patiently. Frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. Number 4, he will solve the problem. He will solve the problem. So these are the 4 questions. Change into passive these two, frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. Okay, Sai Ram.